Well, I'm tired. Let's get into all here. Look, there's even a recliner in there. I'm gonna see if I can maybe do something with this with the truck, this guy here. We probably need to get that mailbox, and then maybe we can cut this stump down a little bit so it doesn't look quite as bad in the front. See if you can see some of this. This is the other side of the culvert that the driveway goes across, and down in here there is it looks like it's almost all blocked off, so I'm going to see if I can use that shovel real quick to clear some of it out and make sure it's still running good. Wrong shovel for this. Smokes the logs. Okay, that was in the culvert. All right, so that's not going to be long enough.
That road out my
like me who doesn't like spiders, I think going into winter, clearing out that section over there on the barn, it's gonna be the right time of the year to do it. I don't think there's gonna be many spiders. Let me move you on over there. Give y'all a peek. Okay, so there's lots of little small engines through here. I don't know if you can see them. You can see that yellow right there. That's like some old McCulloch thing. Red, there's some gas can from something. There's a side cover of an engine or something. Anyway, you can see a couple trimmers back in there. Hi, Birdie. I see you. Hello. Oh, sorry. We all see you. Hello. What's going on, dude? You got a friend over there? All right. Anyway, so you can see there's some stuff right here, wheels, whatever. But then, as you get into all here, like there's even a recliner in there. Some wood. I mean, wood laying on the ground in the south is just a bad idea, right? It just gets eat up. Subterranean termites and stuff.
Coming now to take you away, singing songs from broken hearts, pulling on those broken parts, and I watch them carry you away, carry you away.
Oh, well, I'm tired. It's another hard weekend there on Splitwood, getting more stuff, more junk off the property. There's another trailer load. Not to mention we got the entrance cleared up a good bit. So that's good. Pretty proud of that. I like seeing a little bit of progress. It really helps with keeping me motivated. You know, it's everything around the barn is just such a it's such a big, long project that you know, once I got it cleared out in front, I was pretty motivated, right? But then things kind of stalled out, I guess, a little bit. And you start making progress, but it's not really big progress like what you saw when you cleared it out. So it's a little bit harder to stay motivated during that time. Sun's going down. Let's see if I can get a shot of that. Maybe somewhere out there. Anyway, kind of surprised I haven't seen the hunters out here yet. Anyway, another good load. I didn't think it'd be any good at all. It'll probably only be maybe, I don't know, my guess, 800 pounds. That'd be my guess. And got to see a deer again, which is nice. She stood right out in the road while I was sawing that tree. I tried to come over and get the camera. You know, decent sized doe for Georgia. Anybody out in Idaho or wherever, Colorado or whatever, you guys aren't gonna think that's very big, but for Colorado, or for, I'm sorry, for Georgia, it was decent size. But Anyway, so that was nice. Got to see her. Still fun to see him. I know my hunters are up this way, and the funny part is it's always been down that way that I've got the deer because the water's down that way. I dropped a over 200-pound buck right out that way. Put just a heck of a shot on him. Anyway, had to drag him a long ways. Anyway, I haven't told them that yet. Maybe I'll drop that secret on them sometime later. Anyway, sidetracked. I get sidetracked. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you very much. More views. It's just awesome. Trying to clean up all of this, doing it by hand. There's so much to do. And while I would love to be able to buy a tractor or something, a skid steer or whatever, it's just not in the books right now, or in the cards, however you say it. And that's okay. I mean, I know I could afford something, but I'm trying to really live within, under my means. I like to be able to, each month be putting into my savings. I don't want to be living, too close to what I make. So maybe as the channel picks up, maybe as, things grow, maybe I'll buy something then. Who knows? Maybe I'll buy something in between then. But at this time, I think I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. There's a lot of it to do. So we'll see. Anyway, who knows? Things could change tomorrow. Especially with me, ADHD, man. Well, look at that. It's a decent load, right? Pretty cool. Finally getting rid of that yard furniture. Oh my goodness. I haven't wanted to take it because this is what it does to your load, right? It really restricts what you can take. But I grabbed that stove to try and add some extra weight. So that thing's like 300 pounds, I think. I don't know. Maybe it's not that much. It's probably like 150 and I'm just weak. Anyway, we got that and we got a couple other things. 3 mowers, a couple weed whackers, some shelving, that sort of thing. Got some brake rotors, big old engine right here. Anyway, so should be good. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it a lot. Please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't. Make comments, share. It all helps that YouTube algorithm. Anyway, appreciate you all. See you again next time on Splitwood.